Joanne, and I'm the children's librarian here at the Berkeley branch of the Ocean County Library. And today we are going to make apple cinnamon sugar dessert boats. So the ingredients you're going to need are these mini taco boats, apples, butter, yogurt. I got vanilla flavored, but really whatever flavor you like, sugar, and cinnamon. So you start with these mini tortilla bowls from, I picked up their old El Paso ones. You take, first I forgot to say, we melt some butter and we sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of sugar. Mix it up. And then take a little brush and you brush these all over. Oops. Okay, once you have enough ready, you put them on a foil-lined cookie sheet. Put it in a preheated 400-degree oven. Ask a grown-up for help. And we put it in. And we wait for about 6 or 7 minutes. All right, so the next thing, while the little boats are in the oven, getting nice and crisp and smelling really good, we're gonna cut up our apples. Now ask a grown-up for help because you're gonna need to use a sharp knife. I cut up the apples by cutting it in half and then a quarter, and then cutting the core out like that. Then you have a nice big piece of apple that you can cut into small chunks. I did some ahead of time. The chunks are really small like that. So when you have enough, you take some sugar. Let's start with about 1/8 of a cup. What's great about this recipe is you can use as much sugar or as little as you like. You can make it as cinnamony or as not as you like. It's up to you.
Okay.
Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. It's a good idea to start with a little bit and then see if you want to add more, because if you put too much cinnamon in at once, it's going to be too much. So now that I have the cinnamon and sugar in with my apples, I'm going to give it a good stir. That looks good to me. And we'll let it sit and wait until our little taco boats are ready. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes now, and I wish you guys could smell this. I hope you make this at home because it smells so good. So, you're gonna wait a few minutes for these to cool. And when they're cool, you can pick one up. You take your yogurt. Put a nice little scoop of that in the bottom. And then you take your apples, sprinkle them on top. And there you go. Delicious apple cinnamon sugar taco boats for dessert. Oh, one last thing. I forgot to say, this dessert is so flexible. You could have it with any kind of fruit you want. So in the summer, when strawberries and blueberries are in season, you could do that. If you prefer pears over apples, why not try that? Try a different flavor of yogurt, maybe some pudding instead of yogurt, whatever you like. It's a very flexible dessert, so go ahead and be creative.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.